There are times when companies need to have their branding undergo a complete makeover. Rebranding happens when a business sees the need for transformation or when they need to shake off an unpleasant past. Here are a few things to consider when completing a rebranding assignment as a designer. First, modernize the logo. The graphic design reflects the aesthetics of a particular era. Let's use Samsung as an example. In the beginning, Samsung logo contains 3 stars since the company name means 3-star by its Korean transliteration. In 2000s, the company adopts a new design for its logo, the capital Samsung letters with an oval shape on the back. Entering the 2020s, Samsung removed the oval shape and adjusted the typeface to give the brand a much more modern look to appeal to a younger user group. Second, choose an appropriate typeface. Sans serif is the latest trend for typeface design. Many companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Spotify abandoned their legacy serif fonts and embraced a modern typeface. Third, you need to give your brand a friendly voice. Brand voice refers to the overall design guidelines that the brand adopts. It provides the brand with a personality. Uber's brand voice is bold, direct, and passionate. Customers need some getting used to when they first see the rebranded company. The new brand voice can help them embrace the transformation faster and easier. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.